Hey explorers, it's a zoo in the car. Can you guess which sound belongs to which animal? We've got some exciting ones, so listen closely. What animal makes this sound? Is it a canary chirping, a bull snake, or penguins? The answer is a canary chirping. There are still a few more animals here. All right, next question. What animal makes this sound? Is it a sperm whale clicking, a cockatoo, or frogs chirping? The answer is a sperm whale clicking. Last question, explorers. What animal makes this sound? Is it flamingos, jackals, or a gorilla hooting? The answer is jackals. Wow, great job, explorers. Did you get them all correct? It's okay if you didn't. Remember, the goal is to have fun and try your best. We have to get these animals back to their homes now. Join us at zoointhecar.com for more fun and download our app today for more quizzes with exciting new features. Until next time, remember to always have fun exploring the world around you.